What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a TikTok shop to sell as a seller or to sign up to TikTok affiliate program if you are a content creator and by promoting products on TikTok shop. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to make sure that you understand the difference between the two of them. So if you go ahead and do a quick Google search on TikTok shop and you click on the first product here or the search result, you'll go to your TikTok shop main page. So in this page, you can go ahead and select sellers or creators. So if you are a seller and you want to create a TikTok shop to sell your products on this shop, so this is where you want to go to create a TikTok shop. Here you can click on get started. If you scroll down, you can go ahead and view some of the benefits and like features of the platform as a seller who wants to sell their product. And here they give you some screenshots and some videos on how the platform will handle the store. So if it's like a mini e-commerce store, and how the products are listed on like another tab besides your posts, and how it'll look like, so how your store will look like and how your products will be listed. And here they give you the option to select if you are a seller, so you have the option to like sell your products and create promotion and campaigns to further promote your products and create ads for them. Make deals with affiliate or content creators to promote your products by making them affiliates for this product. And here give you some statistics, some informations, and so on. And as a creator, as a content creator, you can promote products and earn a small commission. So you don't have to actually sell the product. You can like promote existing products without investing anything and then earn a commission for this. So it's a quick and seamless experience and earning and growth opportunities to earn to promote another creator's product or another seller's product. And here is, so that's basically it. You need to specify if you're a seller or a creator. So for seller, let's say you are a seller, and let's see how it goes. So for a seller, just click on learn more. So here it'll open this page where you wanna go ahead and verify your identity. I made an attempt before to sign up to Google TikTok shop, and so it redirects me to this page where it'll need me to verify my ID. So I need to enter an ID verification. So you need to keep in mind that this is only available for US residents, so it requires US passport or driver's license. So once you upload it, so I'll upload like a random image for now just to show you the process. I won't go through it step by step. And okay, let's close this pop-up. And now once you upload a photo, you need to enter your information such as your name, your passport number, date of birth, your address, your social security number, and zip code, and so on. And once you do, you will continue the verification process and sign up process. And once TikTok approves you, you can start listing products on your TikTok shop. Now the second option, okay, let's leave this page right here. And you need to make sure that you know that for you to create a TikTok shop, you must have at least 5,000 followers or more to create. So if you do not have this many followers, you won't be able to create a shop. Now for creators, let's click on creators. So it's like an affiliate program similar to what is offered by like Amazon affiliate programs, where you sign up to like market products or promote products. And you also have two other options. So a partner, where you make partnerships with other creators and sellers to make brand deals and promote businesses and so on. Here you can do matchmaking with sellers and creators. You can do substantial training and resources for your partners and share resources with each others, and find opportunities and services amongst other sellers and other content creators. And here you can see the other category, the same four categories, and join them, or you like join for each of them. And you can learn more about their affiliate program and the TikTok Shop Academy. Now the fourth option is shopper. So as a shopper, you are buying products, so it inspires you and guides you to discover brands and products you want to see more in app experience, and they give you some recommendations based on your purchases, and they offer you, or they promise you, safe and seamless shopping and exclusive offers that will interest you. So these are the four categories. However, in this video I'm just focusing on the seller and creator. So let's go back to creator here. You need to have also 5,000 at least 5,000 followers. So let's click on learn more here, and here you wanna like join as a creator. So use your creativity to earn money. You'll be redirected to your business center for creators, so you can join here. And if you scroll down, you can see many benefits. So you can earn through affiliates, or you can create videos to help brand and like get ads and brand deals, or live stream where you're testing products and stuff like that. And here, this is what it will look like on TikTok. So this is like some sample creators accounts. Okay. And here you can become a creator and sign or scan this QR code to download the program on your phone and start creating your TikTok account. So click on join now. You cannot do this on a PC. You need to continue on the app itself. For some reason, it doesn't let you continue applying on the browser on a computer. You need to download the app on your phone. So whether if it's Android or iPhone. So you need to scan the QR code, and it'll let you download and install the TikTok application and continue signing up. And once you finish, you can basically like get affiliate links for various products that are provided by sellers on TikTok Shop. So you can like promote these products on in your videos. So say like showcase the videos, say the benefits, and if your video goes viral, you get more opportunities. And basically, if someone clicks and buys the product from your affiliate link, you will get a profit margin without even having to have the product stored or like in stock or in a warehouse, or deal with like shipping and handling and packaging and clients feedback, returns, and any of this hassle. So it's a hassle-free business model. And if you are a creator with many followers, it'll be so much easier for you to earn some extra cash this way. So basically, you need to finish signing up as an affiliate or a creator, and you need to carefully select products that are suited for your niche or your category of creation. So let's say you have a fitness channel, you would want to sell or promote fitness products that are like trendy and stuff like that. And to do so, by doing so, you are guaranteed to have customers looking at your product. So basically, that's it. That's the affiliate program, how affiliate marketing works on TikTok, or connecting them. And you will get it'll go through the program, and once you are approved, you can now get affiliate links and promote them as a creator on TikTok.